Hi, I'm Mike Kubicek, an applications engineer for Worldwide Electric. This is one of a series of videos that help you wire and configure our WorldDrive N700e chassis VFD. In this video, we will show you how to wire a 3-wire start-stop operation to the WD N700e. To wire up the N700e for a start-stop 3-wire control, we will need to wire from our common to our start button to our stop button, and to bring both of those buttons back to separate inputs. We will start with our common wire, which comes off terminal CM1. Now there are multiple CM1s on this drive, and it does not matter which one you come from. They're all internally jumpered. So we'll take that CM1 out to our start and our stop button. Then we will bring our start button into terminal 1 for our run command. And now we will wire our stop button into input number 2 for our keep command, so that the drive is in a 3-wire setup when the stop button is normally closed. And now the drive is wired for a 3-wire start and stop operation. Remember, this video is not a replacement for the product manual, and please follow all applicable safety procedures before commencing any work. I hope you found this video helpful. Remember, our website is an excellent source of product documentation, and we have other helpful videos on our YouTube channel. We also have applications engineers available to answer questions for your specific application. Lastly, remember, our tech support is available 24/7, 365 days a year. And thank you for being a Worldwide customer.